more than 5,000 years old. Here's to good health.
Hello, India.
What is it called? Saffron. Somewhat like our guava. This is what we are looking for. The best hummus and falafel. Falafel. हमारी हरी चटनी. This is by far the best falafel I've ever had. So this, guys, is the best hummus in the world. So guys, this was the Carmel market. I had a ball. I am so stuffed and I'm taking a lot of food with me. So today, as you know, I am at Chef Raman's beautiful restaurant called Julia, and I'm making fish, an Indian flavored fish for him. That's a surprise. He doesn't know about it. All I've asked him is to get garlic. So here goes the panchputtan masala and a little bit of salt we will add. Indian pickle mix. And then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice on both sides. Slice the garlic. And I'm going to put the garlic also inside. A little bit of salt.
Okay.
I wanted to have like a smoky flavor.